I'm Chini. The dream house. Oh, sorry. The dream house of Chini A. This is the dream house of Chini A. Let's open this. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is the dream house. Hiwakan mo lang. Okay, let's open this. Wow, like the Bichel.
This is the dining room.
This is the dining room. Let's open this. Ito ang ating kusina. Wow, the book.
This is our books.
This is magical book. This is
The magical. Okay, this is the sala. As in a living room.
wow.
This is the bedroom.
This sofa. Wow.
This is the aircon. This is the window. This is the door. The bed.
This is kayamanan. Let's
Treasure.
open this. Wow.
This is the restroom.
Oh, this a number. Tissue. And salamin.
Yes.
This is
the secret things. This is my trophy and medals for the winning the contest. This was my painting.
Let's open.
This is the dressing room. We had our t-shirt, shirts, and let's open this one.
Wow, this is konting damit.
This is another dressing room. This is the bag, shoes, headbands, bracelet, necklaces, shoes again. Wow, have a beautiful gown. This is the gowns, t-shirts, gowns, pants, rubber shoes,
Wow,
high heels.
let's go now. Wow, it's so beauty. Let's lock.
Let's just close this. This is our next was a swimming pool with a flower sun, with a slide, with like our pahingahan, resting time. This one is our
Swimming pool.
no. This was our hopping in the pool. Kapag aahon ko sa pool, yan ang ating ginagamit. Okay. The end. This is the finish of our dream house of Chini. Colored green colored paper, orange colored paper. Let's read this one. This is home, Chini. Welcome to house. Official home. This is the universe home. Welcome to my new house. Thank you with our flowers.
Wow, it's beauty.
I hope
Thank you for watching.
I hope that you like the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Thanks.
subscribe.
Thanks.